we have a treasure chest of time, valuable to the community.
In 1982, Brage Golding, who was the president at Kent State University, and the trustees approved the creation of the Kent State University Museum. It was the result of the largest gift that the university had received up to that time. It was the gift of 4,000 costumes, 1,000 pieces of decorative art, and 5,000 volumes for the library.
The museum is an incredible resource, and it's really the gem and the crown of the College of the Arts. It's such a unique and wonderful place for students and faculty to be able to work with and examine all of the garments that we have in the collection. And the fact that it's a teaching museum means so much not only for our fashion students in our internationally acclaimed school, but also our students from all across the campus.
Working here, I got the baseline skills that I needed to move my career into the professional world. It really gave me direction on what I wanted to do for the rest of my career.
How it inspires young people, and they have a day-to-day contact as future fashion designers of the world to have access to all this.
The biggest difference that working at the museum has made for me was mentorship. Through the gift of being mentored through Charles Kleibecker at his time at the museum has been invaluable to me. For students to grow and to be able to move fashion forward, they need to see the past and understand where fashion has come from. And that is why it is important to protect the collection.
Because the collection is so extraordinary, and because we are so concerned with its preservation, we have initiated a fundraising effort that we're calling Care for the Collection. It really identifies our basic need, which is to preserve, interpret, and to display these wonderful things that have been entrusted to our care.
It's very, very essential that any museum respect and honor the integrity of a collection.
Originally, the museum was equipped with state-of-the-art units based on the Costume Institute at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And so while at the time it was absolutely state-of-the-art, there has been progress in storage. We are so excited about the new storage that we have for our 20th century collection. And it is the same storage system that we're hoping to implement for the rest of our collection, particularly the 18th and 19th century pieces that are so valuable and so rare. Our museum storage is climate controlled. It's compact storage on a track, and our cabinets are especially nice because they have glass. It's really a very flexible system, and it will allow for growth over time. Altogether, we have 4 floors of storage, and we have 1 complete, 3 to go. Because the museum relies so much on private support, we really thank our donors for their generosity over the years.
We as a community and as a region should continue to celebrate this museum. It's one of a kind.
It's a pleasure to give to a place that you see quality consistently. It's prestigious. It's always beautiful. What would we do without it?